Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the obvious. Phonepe is updated and logged in because an old build can hide options. Once done, open Phonepe, tap your profile, then Settings, quickly scan for a theme or appearance option. If you find one, switch it. If not, don't stall. Phonepe follows your phone's display. So next, exit and go straight to the device settings to change the system dark theme that Phonepe will inherit. Now change the system theme because Phonepe uses the phone's display setting. On Android, open Settings, Display, and toggle Dark Theme. On iPhone, go to Settings, Display, and Brightness, then select Dark. Once done, return to Phonepe and it should show dark immediately. If Phonepe still appears light, you can enable developer options on Android and turn on Override Force Dark to coerce apps into dark mode. Do that cautiously, since it forces colors for all apps. Finish by making sure the change actually applied. Force close Phonepe, then reopen it. If that fails, restart your phone to let the UI refresh. If colors still look off, clear Phonepe's cache via Settings right arrow, Apps right arrow Phonepe right arrow Storage, then reopen. And if enabling Override Force Dark introduced visual glitches, simply turn that developer option off and use the system dark theme.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.